one in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all. We've got it all. Lots of excitement, markets and fun, shopping convenience for everyone. At SM, it's all at SM. Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
There are many questions we try to ask ourselves. Why are we poor? Why are some people rich? Not everyone started being rich. Some strive really hard to get what they have now.
Success is not just good luck. It is a combination of hard work, good credit standing, opportunity, readiness, and timing.
Every time we hear the name Henry C., the first thing that comes to our mind would be SM, a business tycoon, and how rich he is. A striving Chinese boy who dreamed big to find a way out of poverty. A courageous, ambitious, and business-minded man since he was young who gets inspired by his father, who was once a trader. A man who believed that every Filipino deserved a good pair of shoes. A man who built on his dreams. He is Mr. Henry C. Sr. C. Chi Siang, his real name, which means all the way up to success, was born to a poor family on December 25, 1924 in southern China. In 1935, his father, who was a trader, left his family to seek opportunity in the Philippines, which was U.S. territorial protectorate. In 1936, during the pre-war era, at the age of 12, he migrated to the Philippines only to see his father in poor health condition. His father was an owner of a small retail store. Since then, he only had one goal, that is, the will to strive for excellence and to overcome the harsh environment of poverty through the discipline of hard work and frugality. Every day, he went to Divisoria, buying goods to resell in their retail store. He and his father worked hard from dusk till dawn, and only slept in a small counter floor. Ever since, his business strategy was brilliant. He came up with the concept of selling items in small portions, which was practical and fast way to earn. Desperate to study, even at the age of 12, he enrolled in grade 1 in a Chinese school in Quiapo. He accelerated and eventually completed grade school in 5 years. During World War II, their store was burned down. His father went back to China. With that chaos, Henry C. did not lose hope and decided to stay instead.
I don't give up easily. I look for solutions to problems. I want to make things happen.
Throughout the history, his business life was always marked by risk and luck. He was unfortunately hit by shrapnel while selling. A pushcart vendor who later on became his friend and business partner helped and brought him to the hospital. After the war in 1945, young Henry joined the booming buy and sell business with his partner. He saved enough money from peddling cheap American shoes. To improve his trade, he found innovative ways leading to the birth of his store called Shoe Mart or SM, which was the first air-conditioned shoe store. In 1949, he had a financial loan of 1 million pesos from China Bank in order to rebuild his business. In 1950, he had a second chance of schooling. He enrolled in Far Eastern University with a degree in commerce to improve his entrepreneurial skills. He then obtained the Philippine citizenship and continued his growing business for more than 40 years. In 1960, SM Investments Corporation was incorporated and store chains have expanded. He opened the first Shoe Mart store in Carriedo, which became SM Quiapo, the first SM Mall in 1972, during the martial law when there is an economic decline. It soon became very popular until he opened more department stores in the country. He was not contented of his small-scale industry and very limited supply to meet growing demand of customers. And so, he thought of an innovation that is selling apparels and other products and adding appliances division in his store.
He had his concept of having lesser problem by owning a space where one shop is located rather than being a tenant of a space for a shop. SMDC was incorporated in the Philippines in 1974 as Ayala Fund Incorporated, a closed-end investment company limited by shares. In 1983, economic crisis got worse, and it seems like a bad year to start big projects as many investors and bankers were skeptical to finance his project. Optimism and determination was Henry C's shield during hard times. However, in 1985, the first super mall, SM City North EDSA, was opened. Of the company, and it was renamed as SM Fund Incorporated. And then, it was renamed SM Development Corporation, or SMDC. Moral support from his family, employees, and customers kept him strong. He continued his business expansion until SM Santa Mesa and SM Mega Mall opened. In 1994, Henry C. incorporated SM Prime Holdings registry in the company in the Philippines Stock Exchange with almost instantly raised more than 1 billion shares, linking to 5 billion during its initial public offering. It also created 500,000 people with jobs in the succeeding life. In 1999, he had his honorary doctorate in business management in De La Salle University and was named as Management Man of the Year by Makati Business Club. From shoes to a diverse range of products and services, he had a century of brilliant and successful entrepreneurship. In 2001, Shoemart Incorporated, the Philippines' largest retail chain already, includes stores dealing in hardware products, appliances, toys, home and lifestyle products, health and beauty products, export overrun clothes, fashion accessories, and cinemas. In 2002, he tapped Asia's wealthiest billionaire, Hong Kong's Li Ka-shing, to invest in the Philippines through joint venture between SM Group and Liz Watson retail chain. Aside from retail business, C is also the power behind Banco de Oro Unibank Incorporated, China Bank Incorporation, and Tagaytay Highlands. He also owned San Miguel Corporation, Keppel Philippine Holdings Incorporated, La Salle University, Republic Glass Holdings Corporation, SM Department Store, SM Cinema, SM Foundation Incorporated, SM Supermarket and Hypermarket, and SM Investments Corporation. He already owned 43 malls across the Philippines, not including his 6 malls in China and 1 in Guam. His dream project, Mall of Asia, is now envisioned as a premier destination mall in Asia-Pacific region.
On May 2013, the newest, most elegant, and most exciting shopping center of SM Prime Holdings called SM Aura Premier in Taguig City was opened. In 2014, Mr. Henry C., the founder of SM Group and chairman of SM Prime Holdings Incorporation, the father of modern Philippine retail, was ranked first in the top 10 richest people in the Philippines with a net worth of $12.7 billion. He is also one of the richest men in the world. In 2015, he ranks 73rd in Forbes Billionaires list. Mr. Henry C. is gaining a net worth of $14.4 billion in the present time. Creative, diligent, persistent, optimistic. 4 words to describe Mr. Henry C. He definitely would not quit. Despite all the obstacles he had, it did not stop him from pursuing his passion in his business career. To pay obligations on time, especially to his suppliers, has been his lifelong practice as a retailer. The business empire of SM Store Chain is more than a venue for fun shopping, fine dining, and social events. Every SM store that we see is a representation of Filipino business ingenuity, stability, resilience, and optimism despite the uncertain future.
And substitute.
You have to dream, whether big or small, then plan, focus, work hard, and be very determined to achieve your goals. There is no substitute for hard work. There is no such thing as overnight success or easy money.
It has become a cliche, but success came to see only as a result of hard work, tenacity, frugality, self-discipline, Confucian values, and an undying thirst of learning. Henry C's walk through his success in life is truly an inspiration.